classification of elements and periodicity in properties. I used here a term that is elements. So what is meant by elements? Elements are the smallest unit of matter. In 1800, only 31 elements were discovered, but by 1865 the number increased to 63, and currently 118 elements are known by the scientists. But these elements are classified. Now here question arises why these elements are classified. These elements are classified for their easy and systematic study. Now we will talk about genesis of periodic classification. Classification of elements into groups and development of periodic law and periodic table are the consequences of systemizing the knowledge gained by the scientists through their observation and experiences. The first scientist was John Dobberiner. John Dobberiner simply noticed that the middle element of each of the triads had atomic weight about half weight of the atomic weight of the other two members, and he also noticed that the properties of the middle element are in between the properties of the other two members. Now here is one limitation, which is that it seemed to work only for few metals. The second scientist was John Alexander Newland. John Alexander Newland arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weight and noticed that every first element has similar properties to the eighth element, and it also has one limitation that it seemed to work only for elements up to calcium. The third scientist was Luther Meyer. Luther Meyer plotted the elements by the atomic volume, melting point, and boiling point against the atomic weight and noticed a repeatedly pattern. And the fourth scientist was Mendeleev. Mendeleev gave a statement that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function by their atomic weight. Now, the merits of Mendeleev are he arranged all the 63 elements and periodic property are directly proportional to the atomic weight, and he also discovered the product properties of the predicted metals. For example, the gap under the aluminium and silicon is known as eka-aluminium and eka-silicon. Now the demerits of Mendeleev are separation of similar elements and joining of dissimilar elements. Isotope is also one of the demerits of Mendeleev, and position of hydrogen and anomalous pair are also one of them. Now, modern periodic law. Henry Moseley plotted the root of frequency against atomic volume and obtained some irregularities. And he obtained a straight line when he plotted root of frequency in the atomic weight. Now, in modern periodic table, there are total 118 elements, 18 groups, and 7 periods. The horizontal rows are known as periods, and the vertical columns are known as groups. Now there are 4 blocks. The first block is S block. S block contains 1 and second group, and electronic configuration of S block is NS1 to 2. Second block is P block. P block contains 13 to 18 groups, and electronic configuration of P block is NS2 and P1 to 6. The third block is D block. D block contains elements from the group of 3 to 12 and has electronic configuration from N-1D 1 to 10 and NS1 to 2. The fourth block is F block. F block is present at the bottom of the periodic table, and it contains lanthanoids and actinoids and has electronic configuration as N-2F 1 to 14 and N-1D 0 to 1 and NS2. That was all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.